Come meet the man who lives in a plane in the woods. Everything you need to know about the airplane is listed on airplanehome.com, which is Bruce's website. And then from there, you will locate the directions and park in the driveway. Next, you will ascend the steps. As it says there, leave your shoes at the foot, knock on the door. He tells you to enter through the wing, and then from there, he will greet you with a big smile. After that, you'll step on in. From there, he'll show you how the power works, where he eats, sleeps, and everything else you'd be curious to know. He'll even let you walk up close, right up to the cockpit, and he'll even let you steer the controls. Come check it out.